Although the days of the pen might be dwindling, the written and broadcasted word remains mightier than the sword. On 22nd April, the Northwest University celebrated journalists and journalism by again being the main sponsor of the National Press Club's Newsmaker and Journalist of the Year awards. This year, the Government of National Unity was named the Newsmaker of the Year. News 24's Sikonathi Mantshantsha was named the National Press Club Northwest University Overall Journalist of the Year. Prof. Daryl Balia, Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Information Technology and Potchefstroom campus, said that the university's continued support of the National Press Club reflects its belief in rewarding journalistic excellence as it aligns with the university's core values and principles of transparency, engagement, transformation and impact. Journalists play a crucial role in upholding democracy, holding power to account and giving a voice to the voiceless. They shine a light on corruption, injustice and social challenges, ensuring transparency and accountability. In a diverse society like South Africa, they also bridge cultural divides, foster public debate and shape the national narrative, making them essential for a healthy, informed democracy. Long may it remain so.
The partnership really brings unique opportunities to the School of Communication, but especially to our students. It's an opportunity for them to see how the world of journalism functions and hopefully to inspire them to become the best journalist they can possibly be.
As an aspiring journalist, I would like to be an investigative journalist. I really look up to Devi, so I would like to get into that field.
What I enjoy most about my job is telling the stories on behalf of the men and women in blue, their successes, their arrests, their convictions. On a daily basis, the men and women in blue risk their lives to serve and protect the people of this country, and that is a thankless job.
This is just one way the NWU is empowering the storytellers that is shaping our future.